Atomic structure part 2 is what we're looking at today. So if we have a look at the atom, most of the atom's mass is found within its nucleus. It's concentrated there. Why is this? It's because the protons and neutrons at the center of the atom have a greater mass than the electron. Their mass is 2,000 times greater than an electron. Let's recall the charges of protons, neutrons, and electrons now. A proton has a charge of +1, a neutron 0, no charge, and an electron is -1. Now if we have a look at an atom, it has an equal number of positive and negative charges. And so these charges actually cancel out. So we end up with an overall charge of 0 for that atom. Okay, let's have a look at another atom. Here we have 3 positive protons, so 3 positive charges within the nucleus. And then going around it, 3 negative electrons. These particles are equal in number, and so the charges cancel out. We end up with an overall charge of 0. This is a common theme for atoms in an element. They have an equal number of positive protons and negative electrons. If we compare the two atoms here now, in terms of subatomic particles, they both have 1 proton in their nucleus, and they both have 1 electron in their shell. The neutrons are different, however. One has 1, the other has 2. We describe these atoms as isotopes. They're atoms of the same element with the same number of protons, but a different number of neutrons. So these atoms of hydrogen have the same atomic number, but their mass number is different. The number of protons, it's really important to know and remember, these protons and the atomic number identify an element. The number of protons are unique to a specific element. Now if we have a look at the periodic table and we have a look at the larger number that is given for any element, but let's look specifically at chlorine. This larger number, 35.5, is given, and then the atomic number is 17. The larger number on the periodic table for any given element is not the mass number, it is the relative atomic mass of that specific element. But what is that? Most elements contain isotopes, so chlorine has 2 main isotopes, chlorine 35 and chlorine 37. Both isotopes have the same atomic number as they are chlorine, but isotope 35 is present at 75%, whilst isotope 37 is 25%. So the relative atomic mass of an atom is the average mass of an atom when you take into account all of the isotopes it has present. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you found it useful and that you understand atomic structure a bit better than you did before. Please make sure that you stay tuned because I'm going to be posting new videos weekly. Please like, comment and subscribe and share this video in order to get more content like this. All the best, take care and good luck with your studies.